Okay, welcome guys, welcome. As you all know, this is your boy Forex Strategy Factory. So don't forget, everything we do here is all about Forex. Okay. So as we are waiting for you guys to come in and join this broadcast, everything we want you to do is, as you come in, you can give us like this broadcast, share to your friends and share to your followers, because these are the type of things that I personally do once or twice a week, because we talk about the signal of the the trade we always take, and our own pair is the USD until the day we change it. For now, we need to roll with it. Okay, it's promising as promising as expected. You understand? So many people, they wish that they can make some money with Forex, and you think like Forex can make you money, and that is true. But everything now depends on the level of your knowledge. What is your knowledge about Forex? That is what everything depends on. I don't even know if you guys can hear me. No, I'm okay. Yep, I'm okay. So the level of your knowledge is what Forex depends on. Your knowledge, everything you have learned in Forex, how to put everything together and come out with just your own single strategy. These are the things that will move you forward in Forex. And when people say, okay, is it true that Forex can liberate you? Well, the answer is yes. Forex can liberate you if you put your mind in it. It can really liberate you if you put your mind in it. You can see what I do. Sit here now talking to you about Forex like a professional. You understand? You know that you can create a business or a kind of business around this thing I'm doing here right now. You understand? Okay? How Forex can liberate you. First of all, know how to trade it. Second, you need to build some kind of community of Forex people around you. Okay? And third, you should be able to talk about Forex to the people you have around you. And number 4, you see the way I set up my camera now talking to you. And this is how Forex can liberate you. But first of all, you need to start from somewhere, So as I'm talking, right now, as you are coming in, just give this video a like and share, because we need people to come and join us and enjoy this broadcast. Now, if you are coming in the future, today is just the March of 18th, okay? March 18th. This is what today is. And if you look at the time, okay, March 18th, Japan time, 11:03 Japan time. So if you're watching this in the future, okay, don't believe it's the signal of that time, but this is March 18th of 2024. And you know, this type of signal is only valid for 1 week. This type of signal that we're sharing here now is only valid for 1 week or 3 days. You understand? 3 days or 1 week, it's valid. Okay. We are waiting. Okay, but in case we didn't even see no one, you know, the only thing we're gonna do is to share the signal, and many of you can come back and watch it as a kind of, you know, replay. Okay, when you watch this replay, you can believe or understand that this signal is just something that at least you can trust it for 1 week. Because the only thing we have looked before we can bring this signal out is that, you know, we have seen that the USD JPY is a downtrend if we look at it properly. Okay, your chart needs to always be nice so that you will know where the trend is going. And if you don't know where the trend is going, you can take a look at this description of this live show. Okay, you will see a tool I put there is a trend scanner or trend whatever it is, trend indicator or trend scanner. You see, if you don't know where the trend is going, you should take a look at that, because that is only going to teach you and open your eyes about the market trend. Where is it going? Okay, it's good you get it. Doesn't matter how much money you're going to spend on for your own success. Okay, look at me. I started with that tool in order to be able to know, even without any indicator on my screen, to know where is the trend. I use the tool. Okay, even now without using it, I'm okay. I'm not even using it anymore, because I can open my screen and look and I know where the trend is going. But kudos to that tool, man. Kudos to that tool. This is why when I tell many of you guys, spend some money on what is going to make you, what is going to build you, what is going to build your skill. You know, spend money into it. That is exactly what I mean. If you want Forex to liberate you, you should be able to spend money on things that develop you too. So if you don't know where the trend of the market is going, you need to get that tool, even for you to be looking at it and looking at it, using it to compare your own screen until the day your eyes open, that you can see where the trend is going without you drawing anything on your chart. So what we have done right here, right now, is that, you know, we have seen the longest leg that pulled down, okay, down, the longest leg, which came from 150.580, it came to 146.740, okay, the longest leg that went down. So the only thing we did, because we understand, if you see any longest leg, that is the activities of Bollinger Band. And I've got a lot of video about Bollinger Band on my own YouTube channel. For many of you that have been following me for so long, if you go and watch most of my video, you will see I've talked about Bollinger Bands. So if you are on my channel, you're watching my videos, you should know about Bollinger Band, the properties, you know, till now I'm talking to you. When you get the longest leg, that is activities of Bollinger Band. And what it's going to do is going to fold. It's going to go back. It's going to fold. So that is the leg now that came back to, you know, 149.141. So we have wait for that leg, longest leg that came down, to go back up. This is the up we have seen. Right now, it is the pullback that we are waiting for. So this is what brings about our own signal, okay, that we should sell the USD JPY now, 2024, 3rd 18. Right now, we sell the USD JPY, okay, and our price of selling it is 149.222, which I believe is a pending order, okay? Even you can enter it direct if you want. And the stop loss is 151.722, 151.722. And then we are going to take the profit at 148.772. How big you think that profit margin is? This is what people tell you when they say risk low, okay, win big. You want to capture that trend when it is getting started. You want to be in. Okay, the only time I see people confused is when they come to join a trend in the middle and they don't know that there will be a pullback, like a separation from that original trend, a correction. Okay, now look at this USD JPY. To sell it right now, and then you make a TP of 148.772, a stop loss of 151.722, and then what is your entry price? 149.116 or 149.222. Now, if you get something at 149.222, right, and you're going to take a profit of 148.772, yeah, that's almost 100 pips. So if you get 100 pips on a trade and you get it consistently, that shows that you are a good trader, man. You know, that is the first one we got, and that is our main signal that we have been waiting for. Okay, it has played according to how we want it to play. Right now, what we now did, because we know at the level that it is right now, okay, we have a high at 149.880 and we have a low at 149.114. If you look at that small box, you will see it represents a kind of little support resistance, or it represents a zone. Now, what we are waiting for is from where this price now is, we want it to go and operate inside this small box that we have drawn. This small box that I told you right now. The box is, when we draw a line, two lines, one line will be on a 149.180. The second one will be 149.880. Now, when you draw that line, you will see a box. Now, this price now should play inside that box. Okay? And if you are the one that want to wait for confirmation to sell, then let this price now go inside that box and come out to bounce out of that box. That is when the leg to sell is very strong. But right now, we are still operating on watching it. There is still a little bit of going up. This is why we have another signal. It is not the main signal. The main signal is to sell. But now, because there are some little volume of buy, which we know it's possible, the characteristics of Bollinger Band has been fulfilled, but not yet 100%. There is still little volume of buying, which means we buy on a very small lot, okay, at 149.335. Now, stop loss is 146.835. Okay, and then the take profit is 149.785. Okay, if you buy at 149.335 and you are taking your profit at 149.785, that is about 400 pips that you try to take from there. So definitely a very tiny up volume of 400 pips. I'm sorry, about 40 pips. 40 pips is still expected to happen. This is why we put a small buy in there. We are going to take it. That small buy, we are going to take it. and our own main signal is selling, which is going to give us 100 pips. Okay, so definitely, if this buy did not go according to how we want it to go, let it come back into a sell, knock the buy out, okay, and let that sell go and be in profit. This is Forex. It is all about the way you think, the difference between plus and minus of what you have won and what you have lost. You understand? The game is to let your win be more than your loss, so that this is how you can make this Forex what you do every day as a business. You understand? This is how you will make this Forex what you do every day as a business, if you can think like this. You know, the game is not, no, I don't want to lose, I don't want to lose. No, that is not what the game is. The game is, even if I lose, let it be lower than what I've won. Let my win be high. Okay, so definitely don't forget, this is a live show. Like it, share it to your friends, share it in your groups, share it everywhere. Let people come. You subscribe to this YouTube channel, man, because this is what we do every time. You know, go out there, go and call me all my American fans on this channel, man. American fans are the one that we have here a lot. Okay, call them, tell them we are back. Tell them our YouTube channel was stolen and now we got it back. We got it back from the criminal, from the thief who stole our channel for 1 year, man. So don't forget, we have some goods under this video. We have some goods, we have some clothes, our own clothes, Forex Strategy Factory, designing clothes. We have everything there. If you like anything you see, you're free, go there, check whatever you like, you know, check it out. If that is how you can support the channel, you pick one, you pick two, that's okay. You understand? So thank you so much and take care. Bye bye. Thank you. Oh, someone has just come to the show, but anyway, you are welcome. But you came while I'm trying to sign out, so thank you for coming.